Every day across Malaysia, the same battle begins. The sun rises and the heat climbs. Meanwhile, the buildings like offices, factories, and clean rooms wake up and brace themselves. Their HVAC systems whir to life, trying to keep up and trying to make us comfortable. But here is the problem that no one talks about. Most of these systems, they do not know what they are doing. They react based on averages, they guess based on yesterday's pattern, and they do not think. And every wrong move will actually cost you in energy, in emission, and in money. But what if there is one system that they think? Introducing Mr. Roger, the HVAC Intelligence built in northern Silicon City of Malaysia. This is just a brief introduction to Mr. Roger. In our next video, we'll reveal what makes him stand apart from other AI systems and also the key components that power his intelligence. Stay tuned with us as we uncover how Mr. Roger is shaping the future of smart HVAC management. Thank you for watching.